Top 5 creative poster design ideas to boost your brand. Stop scrolling. Want your brand to stand out and grab attention instantly? I'm about to reveal the top 5 creative poster design ideas that can do just that. Whether you're launching a new product, hosting an event, or just want to make your brand unforgettable, these poster designs are exactly what you need. Stick around because I'll also show you how to get your own custom designed posters done by top professionals without breaking the bank. Minimalist magic. First up, the minimalist design clean, simple, and super effective. It's all about making a statement with less. Perfect for when you want to keep your message direct and powerful. Vintage vibes. Next, bring on the nostalgia with vintage vibes. Retro designs create a connection with your audience that feels warm and authentic. Bold and bright. Or go bold and bright. Catch eyes with vibrant colors and dynamic shapes. Illustrated artworks. Looking for something unique? Try illustrated posters. They add an artistic, personal touch that stands out. Modern and sleek. Finally, the modern and sleek look perfect for a contemporary, polished brand image. Ready to take your brand to the next level? Click the link in the description to get your posters designed by top-rated professionals today. Don't miss out. It's time to make your brand unforgettable.